All right, so we're here at the shop. I'm here with the FD. I'm gonna talk to the owner. Possibly he might do a trade-in. Got my eye on something good, so we'll see what happens. I'll show you in a minute.
Can you see your hand?
No, I ain't touching that thing.
大丈夫?
No, it's okay.
これもね、いろいろ出てくる。Z のとかね。ロキもクリスにあげようして出したんだけどな。もうね、ゴミ捨てるだけ6万円。タイヤがこの中全部出して外したら150本。で、ゴミの軽トン2回捨てたら3万円。タイヤが1本捨てるのが、250円。
Where's yours at? Over there? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I showed that video, right? This is
Yeah.
the one that was on the video.
This was the the Celica that was on the
On that video, I'm telling you, man.
on the trailer. Somebody buy it yet?
Nah, not yet. They got still.
All right, so this is what we're here for.
11.
86だとふざけるな
The 86 Hachiroku. It's 11. Doesn't have the pop-ups, but still pretty cool. Not a Trueno.
Not a lot of noise.
Yep. That's a feature that's not very common, I'm assuming.
Got the smile on the back field. We got the fair lady right here.
She looks pretty good. We're gonna talk to the boss in a little bit here, see what kind of a deal we could work out. Might trade in my car, I'm not sure. We'll see though. Always wanted an 86. And here it is, so we'll see. I'm not cold right now.
I got my wolf jacket in the color. You want that? So you keep an eye though.
This looks good. Individual throttle bodies. Some work's been definitely done to it. Ignition.
Shut up.
Pretty clean.
Shut up.
Good looking little car. Needs some work. Some tears in the backseat, big deal. I mean, it's hard to find them with all the interior intact anyway. But yeah, that's it. How's it looking there? Is that fuel? Maybe it doesn't have any fuel. Yeah, are you messing with the throttle at all or no? Yeah, you're holding it? It's all good, let it go. Yeah, just maybe the carbs need a little bit of adjustment. Man. That's it. See the stamp right there. So what's he thinking? Did he throw a number out yet or no? He didn't say nothing?
The only thing he said is you want 17, but then he said all the shit about yours, but we'll have him take a look at yours.
Okay. All right.
But yeah, probably a little bit more adjustment.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, but I mean, it's running. Got a lot under the hood here. Radiators new. The whole assembly is new. Yeah, looks pretty good.
Oh, you got this little...
All right, let's try it on for fit. Oh man.
Look at the interior though, man. It's mint. You got cracks on the dash, but that's gonna happen.
Yeah, of course.
You just throw a dash cover on it, boom. But look at the floor mats.
Yeah,
Mint condition. Tell you, man.
it's a pretty cool car, not gonna lie.
What's that?
Feels good too. I like it.
It's a nice little bucket seat though.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of hug seat.
It's cool. Probably change it out, but it's got gauges and everything. And there's a gangster shift knob
Left
right
one's
here.
oil pressure. Middle one's water pressure. Right one, I can't read that kind. What's this?
So the radio's in the glove box. What'd you find there?
I don't know.
I don't know. Whatever. I think it's like a little massage ball. And I got the
Maybe an antenna ball. Maybe that old school antenna ball.
the JDMU smokes. Those are probably from Bunta when he was driving. Dude, this is pretty nice. This shift knob, man, this is crazy. Definitely gonna have to change that. And then this thing's a little ghetto rigged. What do you think? I don't know how he did that, but whatever. That one's good though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks good, man.
I'm telling you, just throw a dash cover on that.
Yeah.
Just attach it with a little bit of Velcro, a little Velcro there, a little Velcro there, and then
TRD wheel. Actually has all the interior though, which is super hard to find. And he said he'll paint the hood and then he'll get me the right rear lid.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of stuff. So you said that this is
That is oil pressure. This is water pressure. I don't know what this country. This oil is water. That's oil.
well, see, because it
Wait, wait,
says oil on the thing. I don't know if they.
No, but that kanji means water.
Okay, is that for this one then? So down, and then see this, it says oil right here.
Maybe.
So
Maybe that one
yeah, I'm
was-
thinking that's the
So
that's
maybe
the case
water
there.
temp, oil pressure, and then
Yeah.
oil temp. Yeah, because that's oil.
Little lost in translation there.
Yeah,
All good.
yeah.
Yeah, that's water. So I'm thinking,
That's deep.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, man. I'm pretty satisfied. Let's
Pop out. Get out. Get out with them. Smash the door.
yeah, scratch up my car already. No, I'm kidding. A little tight in this garage. Oh, he's got so much stuff stacked up in here. No,
When you
still,
find a good deal, you have to probably buy it though before it goes away. You know.
yeah. That's the thing I'm worried about. That if I sit on it or think about it, she's gone. You know what I'm
Look at
saying?
those- look at the wheels though, man. You don't even have to get nothing new. Just clean them up.
Yeah.
Stock looking wheels.
Okay. Cool. I'm liking it. So this will get repainted.
Yeah. Cause you can see it scratched.
Yeah. It's all right. I mean, I wouldn't be too mad about that because I know as an owner, there's stuff I'm gonna have to fix myself,
Yeah.
and then this lid isn't properly fitting, so we'll get a
look at
better.
this. Look at that. You can stick your whole hand.
Yeah,
in
we'll get a
there.
better lid on that.
And then they'll probably even take off these pins on the side
Yeah.
and put those up. Touch up that paint right there. I like the duckbill. I just don't like the fact that it's
Yeah.
the lid doesn't fit.
It looks pretty cool, but
You can always get. You can probably add a duckbill on the stock one though, and actually have it look clear.
yeah, and then they put that front end splitter too and do some crazy stuff. But it's all there, man. It's crazy to see one like that complete, you know what I'm saying? Like usually they're just
Yeah.
gutted interior or missing a bunch of
The
stuff.
only
but-
thing really that's interior wise is not the stock seat
Yeah,
and the dash, but you're not gonna find an uncracked dash.
exactly.
So.
Dash is older than we are pretty much, so
Yeah.
you know?
What, 98? 87. I was 87, yeah.
I'm thinking about it, man. All right, we'll go inside and talk with him, but ooh, rough choice. Let's see.
Yeah, this is a hooligan and then this is a illegal to change modify the car like that. And he's the one who's modifying over here. So
お客さん来るたんびこれ見て笑う
and then if all the customer comes and they look at it and then yeah right and they're all laughing because it's so joke.
That's funny.
それウケるよ
Because they're the one who's making those
Yeah.
illegal things.
I only see them doing straight pipes. They had a straight,
Yeah, that's illegal.
aka no, Sunny, long nose, Yankee pipe, Bozoku pipe.
That's funny. I like it.
これね陸支局でもらってきたわざわざあえて貼ろうって
なんかクリスのやつみたいなのが映ってるのもありますよ。
They don't
want you revving out here.
Remember we went to
If we're gonna do the page, look at this right here. Always posting stuff.
Yeah.
This is all. We always post stuff up here, so we can know the inside scoop.
Pretty cool poster.
Should I ask him what to take? It's expired.
I'm not gonna take his stuff. And then this one's yours, right?
Yeah.
72 Skyline.
I had to rekey the trunk latch
Mm.
because it's a 5-pin, and I just took out 2 pins so the key would actually work again.
It's coming together, huh? An old Cresta. Gloria. She is. I'm not sure. The FD or the 86. We'll have to figure this out. Decisions. Yeah, right.
So I can get my Ogata license.
かっこいいね。うん。
言ってください、
もうちょっと
社長。
頑張ってやってみるね。なかなか情報だけをよその業者に話を回す。で業者に回したら業者は相場言ってくるけど100万って言うた方だからそんな中で買う人がおったりとかかっこいいよね。
でしょ
Which
かっ
one?
こいい。
160って言って社長が10万持ってこっちが150上げてこっちからあと残りの10万もらってあれするなんてもらうかね。
かっこいいけど本当うちが
But you
飛ん
don't
だ
do
ら
Toga shit, do you?